Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ka breaking news re wish ka Sudan gwas mishire nyal Japan tin re nyal mo Japan ke chene di shop ka jan ngwani de bakkel shakanak re nyal dini nying Sudan kan kore ler kana me mi jira majidit ka Nuer online TV channel go re jeno jender subscribe ko beler TV kan chamala shupkiji gwas dana pai ka larich an ler ban linga ken yambana jalat ka tungnas ka kore baje kwen ye ka tuk nene tanas ko gor kono de te ka shob lwany mo gwa kana sen kon tin kwesh ka thoknath ka jan lere me gor jeno biam dan lero de biajeling en re nyala me jiɛnɛ wi kama den gwade dan en nak South Sudanese den gwada mo jen wi dan nak naten ka jen gwada na jere nyala moten chana jelingo gwa ka duop dan en chetwo ga je gore bi comment ka bi jenwa ka nasen ko ken mala breaking news gwa same ka ler bu kono linga te ga re nyal miche yak re nyala mo yaka ke Japan re which ka Sudan re which ka Sudan chala do chene de shop ka jen ngwani de bakkel chekanak ne jen ngwani bakkel chikaliu re re nyala mo kenyam kwalan je dongda ne wal bangon entame che wona ne jen ngwani de bakkel re nyala mo pena ka omdurman kole la rar which ka Khartoum rar which Khartoum jen gwada dan en yakre nyala motin chala do ne na re de tini to ngwana lung tidit tila kwar tigare de re nyala mo ne re nyala mo ken nyam me cha ko la ne de cha kon tigad wak ne wol bongon ka kore china che rodien ben yot ne ka jan ngwani de bakkel ka ne de kon chiliu cha roj mo cha jala de kanitin kon tin te ka lwang ki gwada dan en togri ko motin re nyala mo je roda ka wan madene jan gwate dan e men na kanitin kon chilla so sudanitin chigamen chi angani won ka jazira jan gwada na jene tin re nyal ka bane tin ngwane de kon trader ti de nitin kattenetin kon tila hali tigreda jan gwada dan en jene tin en gwada mo chone to choko wonak ka gwada dan cho pentin kom durman awajen poinde japan wi tenni hali en poinde re nyala me bay ye nyoture de re nyala mo wacharam kel major general wun mishale wude me wa general chale nguma amamet chirami chale mamet bejen shiore wude me wude chili gwada me la wude dit wajen kwerm dit long mi tere wujen wine mi bejen ngre okay major general bar ahmed major general bar mamet jaramananen chiliu re nyalamo mila senior commander re wicha ka Khartoum chiliu re nyala mo kel kanito kono chiliu ana me jen military helicopter dana shi crash ki men ti jagre wicha ka Sudan shinne to ngwan long shi liu re da shi men shi anga no ne jen ngwan wide bakel nyok kwai kamandan en men yaga ka jam chalan jen wo chire nyal cheben dong a technical issue wa benishu pen wi dori tin kono la dor hali kom durman jen gwada dana chune to chu connecting chana jamining katok English. The number of people killed in a Sudanese military plane crash in Omdurman on the outskirts of the capital Khartoum has risen to at least 46, officials have said. The Antonov aircraft came down late on Tuesday during takeoff from Wadi Sedina military airport in northern Omdurman, part of Greater Khartoum. At least 10 others were injured, according to the Khartoum media office. The initial death toll of 19 was reported by the health minister, which said the plane crashed over civilian hours in Omdurman, Karari district. Among the dead was Major General Bar Ahmed, a senior commander in Khartoum, according to report. The Sudanese military confirmed the crash in a statement, saying both military personnel and civilians had been killed. Firefighting team were able to contain the blaze at the crash site, it added. The statement did not specify the cause of the crash, but military sources told Reuters news agency that technical issues were likely to blame. Local residents reported hearing a loud explosion, with the crash damaging several homes and causing power outage in nearby neighborhoods. The incident comes as Sudan remains engulfed in a brutal conflict between the military and the paramilitary Rapid Support Force, which erupted in April 2023. The war, which has killed tens of thousands, began after a rift between Army Chief Abdel Fattah al-Burhan and RSF Rapid Support Commander Mohamed Abdan Dagalo over the future structure of the government. The army is currently making significant advance in central Sudan and Khartoum as a part of multi-front offensive against the Rapid Support Force. Jiɛnɛ me shalinga ne to shop kajan wan bakal shigalu ka jare nyalame ka Sudan. Jendana gode nywa yekel ene biya bye bye.